So this seems to be the most popular tool. Just a bottle opener, aluminum bottle opener, so it's soft. There needs to be this little lip right here. Some of them are round. So buying these, you need to have one that has a little lip. So this one has like a little lip on it. This one was, you can pick these up in liquor stores for $1. The problem is getting the right one. You may find a liquor store that sells them with a round lip, but they have to have this little edge to be able to grasp the molding. There's a little ridge right there. I need to kind of like pull that. So they say don't go all the way back here to the edge of the molding itself. Back here, stay there and just apply some pressure on the top side and then pull, and it pulls right off.